Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to use sort tool in Alteryx. So at here this is the Alteryx designer, and here you can see the new workflow it's created. So first step at here, so you can use this sort tool. So we can do the sorting by two ways. So let's see the first way. Here import data, and you can use at here file or database. So you need to click at here on drop down, and here you can use so I already discussed about how to use how to import Oracle SQL Server files inside Alteryx Designer. So here there I already have connection for Oracle database. So here this it's now coming, and here this is Oracle SQL developer. So here I'm going to use the here okay, let's first select the tables. So HR schema, and here I'm going to use here employees. So double click on it, and here I'm using employees table. So here this is the record inside employees table, and here also you can see if I execute select a star from employees, now you can see at here department ID is in random order. So I want to just check or see at here the department ID in order wise. So you can use this query. Here this is now in order wise. So like this you can do the same thing in Alteryx designer. So here I'm going to select so here the first is a star that indicate all the columns. Now here at this place you can see uh, here, so let's check now sort by. So you can, if you give at here on 1, then this will do the ordering, and not going to make on order wise. Now here, so hereafter I wanna see the records. So for this let's go to reporting, and hereafter drag the link, and if you want to get the detail about the query, you can click on triple dot, and here you can see. Now here select a star from employees, and here let's run the workflow. So 17 KB that applied for, and 107 records, no any error, 3 messages. Here you can see the messages part. Now select this, and here, so since I applied at here this table query, so here it's department ID extra column it's added, and this all is in now in the sorting. So here you can see this all value is now in the sorting format. So this all displaying to the ascending order. So if you want to or display at here on descending order, so you need to reverse this. In place of ascending you should choose descending, and run the workflow. So here you get department ID is now in the descending order here, this all. Or if you let's try to check or do the sorting on multiple columns. So first at here you can see department ID 10, so 4400, and this is the part here. So this is the part for 20. So highest salary it's displaying first 13,000, 6,000. So if I execute this query, So here you can see 10, and here order by. So here for 10, this is now, or there is only one rows. 20, two rows, 6,000, 13,000, it's coming there. When I applied order by on department ID and the salary for 20, 30, this is now. So I want to display at here highest to lowest. So you can also do that. So here now at this place I'm going to use at here one more columns, and this let's set that at here ascending order. This should be in ascending order. So you can use. Now if I execute, so here you can see this is now 10, and here 20, and here 30. So smaller to highest, it's displaying the values. Okay, so this is the okay when you are not using at here any flat files. But what if you are using a flat file? So let's go back input data inside the workflow, and here click on the drop down and file that I'm going to use CSV file. So here Ruby, and this is the file here, file 5. Now you can see this is the record inside there. So here department ID is all in the ascending order, and you can do the sorting on others column like manager ID, location ID, and here you can see this is the record limit. So preview for 100, you can, if you want, then here you can give 200. And so since when I select at here SQL Oracle database, so here you can see table query, but you cannot find this kind of option inside the file. So file option we don't have, and there are also nothing related with at here sorting. So we have option you can use at here or sort to sort the record. So here department ID is already in the ascending order. So let's see here. So if you, I'm going to do the sorting on at here manager ID. So this is in at here on sorted format. So what we need to do, select and here going to select manager ID. So this should be in ascending order. Now when that done, here go to reporting. Now report to text, and here drag this, and after doing this you need to run the workflow. So workflow is now here, it's completed. Now you need to select this, and here you can see there is nothing related with sorting. But if I click at there, you can see manager ID is now in the sorted. So first it's displaying null values, and here you can see 100, 3, 8, 14, 21, 45, 200, and this all is now in the sorting format. It's displaying, and you can use at here multiple column to do the sorting. So if you want to display the value is in or descending order, select descending and run the workflow. And after completing the workflow, this is the unsorted, and here you can see manager ID, it's displaying in the highest to lowest. So here you can see, and the null in the last. So like this you can do the sorting on other columns like department name, location ID. So this is the way we can do the sorting using Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.